Codecademy features, strengths, weaknesses. Codecademy is a popular online learning platform offering a wide range of courses covering various programming languages, web development, data science, and even some machine learning. Key features include interactive coding environments directly in the browser, guided learning paths designed for specific career goals, immediate feedback on code, and a supportive community forum. These features are primarily targeted towards beginners and those looking to upskill or change careers, offering a relatively gentle introduction to the world of coding. One of Codecademy's significant strengths is its user-friendliness. The interface is clean, intuitive, and the step-by-step tutorials are easy to follow, making it accessible to individuals with no prior coding experience. The gamified learning experience, with points and badges, can be motivating for some users. Furthermore, the breadth of courses available is commendable, allowing learners to explore different technologies and find what resonates with them. However, Codecademy also has its weaknesses. The depth of knowledge provided in each course can be somewhat limited, particularly at the more advanced levels. While it provides a solid foundation, learners will likely need to supplement their knowledge with other resources to achieve true mastery. The platform's heavy reliance on guided learning can also hinder the development of independent problem-solving skills, which are crucial for real-world coding. The free tier offers limited access to courses, and the pro subscription, while offering more content and features, may be considered expensive compared to other online learning platforms that offer a similar or deeper learning experience. The interactive environment, while convenient, can also sometimes be restrictive compared to working in a real development environment. Ultimately, Codecademy is a great starting point for aspiring programmers or those looking to explore new technologies. Its structured approach and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for beginners. However, learners should be aware of its limitations regarding depth and the need to develop independent problem-solving abilities. Consider Codecademy as a stepping stone, a foundation upon which to build a more comprehensive coding skill set through further exploration and practice. Whether it's the right platform for you depends on your learning style, budget, and long-term career goals.